Alright, so I'm sitting here in the car with this 120 watt water heater slash boiler. It is sitting in a camp cup, and I was at, I believe it was 22 minutes when it actually started boiling. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it does boil water. I would like to say though, it's best if you have a lid for it. I'll probably end up getting one later on. And like a little CD, something that's solid for that to boil it in. So this was like $8 or $10 on Amazon. The cable here, it's warm, and you have to keep this thing in the water or this whole thing will fry. Is it warm at the plug? Oh yeah, it's warm. It's warm at the plug. Oh no, did I blow a fuse? Fuck, I blew a fuse. Y'all saw that, didn't you? Damn it. Did it fry this? It didn't fry this. Oh man, I fried the head unit. Alright, well that's it. Peace.